Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to define or add commands in AutoIT scripts. Commands plays a very important role when you're writing the script because it will define what the particular code or function does, and it will be very helpful if you are opening the script after a few days and you don't know what the particular function does. Then commands will help you to get what a particular function does. So AutoIT comes with two different type of commands. One is using a special character and another one is using AutoIT own function. Let's see one by one, and before that I'm just writing one line code here. Message box. This message box function is used to display message to the user. So I'm going to add a command that I'm displaying message box in the second line, my message box. So when the compiler start executing the script, it look for the special character semicolon, and wherever it find the special character semicolon, it completely ignore the text next to it and start executing the line which is present next to this semicolon. That is, this statement is considered as a valid one, but this is not a valid, and it was considered as a command by the compiler. So this is one type of command, and next second type is AutoIT function. That is, you have to press hash followed by commands start. If you add this hash command start, then the compiler looks for another statement called commands end. Until that, all the text which is below this command start and are considered as commands. So these are all considered as a commands by the compiler until it find the statement called commands end. So from this, compiler consider all the text as a valid one. So this is how this commands AutoIT function commands work. Compiler looks for this command start, and again it look for the commands end. All the text which goes between this command start and command end are considered as commands by the AutoIT. So if you want to enter more than a line, then you can go ahead with this command start and command end function. Also this comes in an abbreviated form. That means you no need to type this much long sentence. You can define it by just by giving CS, and you can short it by CE. That's it. So this is another way of adding commands to the AutoIT script. And one more thing, the line before this are also considered as a valid statement. So what you have to understand is, compiler look for this hash ES, and all the lines which goes below this hash ES are considered as a command until it find the line hash C. So this is how commands work in AutoIT. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.